Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem of Cash App will not let you screenshot, okay? So to be honest, like in Cash App, you don't have the right to screenshot, okay? This is like, you don't even have the right to do it, but I'm going to show you a way that maybe you need to follow that may give you a chance to fix that problem, okay? So what you can do or you need to do in order to fix that problem. So what you need to do is to go and contact Cash App directly and give them proof why you need to screenshot, okay? So go to contact customer support and contact them, but while contacting them, don't tell them like why I can't just screenshot, because they're gonna like refuse because they don't allow this. But if you really need to screenshot, give them the proof and then they're gonna review it, and after reviewing it, if they got convinced by your proofs, they're gonna let you screenshot and they're gonna fix that problem. So this is the only way how you can fix that problem. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.